All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, today we're talking about tool reviewers or tool ads. A couple weeks ago on my live stream, I was asked about what tool review channels I watch, and I don't watch other tool review channels. Now, the reason I don't watch other tool review channels is I don't want their opinion of a tool to cloud my judgment. I don't want to be thinking, well, they thought this was bad, but I like this. I don't want to see that. The reason for this video is in my shorts feed, I've had a couple channels that have just come up in shorts, and it honestly seems like a 1-minute ad for the tools. Like, I know it's a short, so you can't really, talk a huge amount. If you don't know, shorts are limited to less than a minute. But it seems more like I'm watching a 1-minute ad for a tool. There's always that tagline, link in the description, every single time. And it's just, it's just an unboxing of a tool. And, it's like, should I be doing these? I mean, should I be sitting here unboxing tools and going, ooh, shiny, buy from my link down below. Look, shiny, link in the description below. It was funny to me, really, honestly, because that bit I just did seemed like the content of those videos. I'm not going to name names of the content creators I'm talking about. I'm sure they'll be pointed out in the comments, but, it just seems really disingenuous from the tool reviewing community. It could be just me being sensitive about it or hypercritical of it, but let me know what you think in the comments, because I really do kind of wonder, these are channels that are bigger than me by a substantial amount, and it seems more like I don't understand the value y'all get out of these videos if that's all it is. I do my best to give you a true evaluation of a tool, not here shiny pretty. So let me know in the comments, because it's kind of baffling me that these channels are that popular with this kind of content. Not gonna lie, I've watched their full-length content in the past, and it seemed as much like that as it does in their shorts, this one's particular content creator. And honestly, it does kind of seem like that kind of content in general for the content creator I'm specifically talking about. But again, I'm not going to name them. If you see the same kind of trend, or am I just being overly sensitive because I think I'm missing out on sales or something like that, let me know. I know this was kind of ranty, but I keep seeing these shorts in my feed and it irritates me, because it's like I could be watching an infomercial on QVC as far as the content. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.